All right, the latest iPhone software allows you to take your photos and make them into your own stickers. Really cool and personal. Here's how to do it. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com. That's where you can get more tips like this and my newsletter. You can create 5 different types of stickers to send to your friends and family. Original outline, comic, puffy, and shiny. Now here's how to make them. Open up the Photos app, then choose a photo you want to make a sticker out of. Long press with your finger on the subject of the photo, and a silver outline is going to show up surrounding the subject. Here we're going to pick a dog. You're going to see a box pop up with 4 options: copy, look up, add sticker, or share. Tap Add Sticker. You're going to want to add your new sticker to the collection that you can use to send to your friends, and it'll stay in your collection until you decide to delete it. Then tap Add Effect. You can now choose between the following effects: original recipe, the unedited version; outline, this adds a white outline to the sticker that makes it look a lot more like it came from the sheet; or comic, this makes a sticker look like a comic strip with a special filter. Puffy is the one that makes your sticker look puffy when you move it around your iPhone. Shiny, this gives your sticker a fun holographic sheen that changes as you move your phone. All right, now here's how you can add your newly created stickers to a photo. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Select the photo you want to add stickers to. You can choose an existing photo from your album, or you can take a new photo. Once a photo is open, tap on the Edit button in the top right corner of the screen. In the editing mode, you'll see several icons at the top of the screen. Tap on the pen icon in the circle. Tap the plus sign in the bottom right corner of the screen while in markup mode. Tap Add Sticker. Choose a sticker from the menu that appears. Now, after selecting a sticker, it's going to appear on your photo. You can move it, resize it, even rotate the sticker as needed by pinching and dragging it. Once you're happy with the placement and the size of your sticker, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Tap Done again to exit the editing mode and save the edited photo with the sticker. Next, let's tackle adding stickers to messages. Open the Messages app and let's start a new conversation or open an existing one. Tap the plus button next to the text input field. Scroll through the app icons and tap on the Stickers app. Select the sticker you created earlier. Now tap on the sticker you want to send. The sticker is going to be added to the conversation. You could add text or other media to the message before sending it. Then tap the up arrow to send it. By following these steps, you can easily add your custom stickers to photos or messages, making them so much more fun and personalized. Crazy cool tech like this, as well as more tips, at cyberguy.com. Also, sign up for my newsletter there. It's totally free.